Yeah, all of you look at here. Now this is the important question, one of the important question. Given that f of x is differentiable function of x and f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus f of y plus f of xy minus 2 and the given f of 2 is 5, then f dash of 3 is how much? So let us take the given equation here. This is given equation. So given functional equation I took. Now here the logic is that we have to factorize this. So to factorize this minus 2 I am writing as minus 1 minus 1. So that in that minus 1 minus 1 I am sending this side and 1 minus 1 I am keeping here. Thereafter what I am doing here, this f of x place I am sending f of x. F of y will be this side only. Now in this bracket f of x can be taken common. So if I take f of x common, I get here f of y minus 1 plus 1 is equal to, here this minus 1, I gathered this one, f of y minus 1 plus f of x. Now what we are doing, just I know that here you are getting equal same. So here this f of y minus 1 I am sending this side and plus 1 I am sending this side. So what I got f of x into f of y minus 1 minus this whole thing I am sending this side, so minus is equal to f of x y plus 1 I am sending this side minus. In this both f of y minus 1 common. So what I got here, in this f of x left, in this 1 left. So 1 f of y minus 1 into f of x minus 1 is equal to f of x y minus 1. So this is looking like an equation. So for a time being, this total I am assuming as g of y. For a time being, this is I am assuming as g of x is equal to, then this will be g of xy. So g of y into g of x is equal to g of xy. We can say g of x is x power n form. So now this g of x is nothing but f of x minus 1 because I want to find the function f, not g. So f of x minus 1 is x power n. So f of x I got how much? X power n plus 1 I got. Okay, f of x blur. फिर blur बोल रहे हैं. Again blur. See, today I should explain or not? So I will share the video in the group. Then you can check it out. So f of x is I got x power n plus 1. Is it okay now? Is it blur or is it okay? Is it okay now? Purva blur. Chetan blur. Oh. Is it recorded? Will be good. Huh? Okay then. See here. F of x will be x power n plus 1 I got. Now what we do here, f of x you have, f of x how much you got? F of x is equal to, you got x power n plus 1. So let us find f of 2 they given, na? So substitute in this. So f of x you have what? X power n plus 1. So f of 2 will be 2 power n plus 1. F of 2 is they given 5. 5 is equal to 2 power n plus 1. 5 minus 1, that is 4. 4 is equal to 2 power n. So this is I get 2 square equal to 2 power n is equal to 2. So this implies n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 means what is the function here? F of x is equal to x power x square plus 1 is the function. What I have to find? F dash. So what is the f dash of x? X square differentiation is 2x. 1 differentiation is 0. F dash of how much I want? 3. F dash of 3 will be how much? 2 into 3. That is how much? 6. 6 is the answer. Okay. See, I will share the solution. Okay. I will share the solution in the group. May they will get it. अभी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस कराता हूँ सर जी. Is it clear to all? Voice is also breaking. They are saying voice also breaking, blur, everything. क्या करें? What to do? Can I take in the afternoon? No, actually afternoon. Hello? Is it okay now? Now is it okay?
Yes, sir. Now it is okay.
Okay. Should I need to explain this question again? Should I need to explain this question again? Viraj said yes. Now tell me, I need to explain the question once again. Hello? Whether I need to explain the question once again? No. Okay. Purva, okay. Chetan, no. Viraj, no. No need, na? Sure. Other people, please respond. Whether I need to explain or no need. Others, please respond fast. Sarth Bhai, what do you want? No? Aditya Lord, no. What about others? Fast, reply fast so I can go for next question. No. Okay, fine. So here f of x is this, okay? This one is that. Now I'll explain some previous year questions, okay? I will explain some previous year questions now. Right also. The function, the function the function f of x is equal to pi by 4 plus tan inverse x modulus of x less than or equal to 1 half modulus of x minus 1 when modulus of x greater than 1 is dash. JEE means 2020 question. JEE means 2020. Okay, this is a question here. F of x is equal to pi by 4 plus tan inverse x modulus of x less than or equal to 1 half mod x minus 1 when x greater than 1 then is asking that what is the solution. Option A. Should I explain all the options? So one more question. Okay, I will explain this question then I will see. So can I start? Yes. See here. So graphically we can do this one, without graph also we can do this one. Okay, you want graphically or without graph? You want graphically or without graph? Graphically. We'll see, both will see. So f of x is equal to, you know what is tan inverse x graph? You know tan inverse x graph will be how? This is the graph of tan inverse x. I hope this is the graph of tan inverse x. No, ये tan inverse x graph. He said what? Pi by 4 plus tan inverse x. Means it should go pi by 4 up. Right? So it will be coming like this. This will be the graph of pi by 4 minus x. And is what he want what x modulus of x less than or equal to 1. What is the meaning of this? Modulus of x less than or equal to 1 means it is lies between 1 and minus 1. Modulus of x less than or equal to 1 means it lies between minus 1 and plus 1 means If I take here minus 1, if I take here plus 1, the graph is required here to here. So here to here the graph is like this. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now that only I am going to do it. And this function is there when x is between 1 and minus 1, and this function is there minus infinity to 1 union 1 to infinity. Okay, this function is like that. So graphically it will be more easy than comparing to the problem wise. So graphically how we can write here? We can draw the graph like this. This is the graph of tan inverse x pi by 4. The graph will be like this. No? This will be the graph. This will be minus 1 and this will be plus 1. If you want to get the points, you substitute 1 in this. Minus 1 substitute. What I get here? If x is equal to minus 1, if I substitute in this function, pi by 4 plus tan inverse minus 1 I will get. So pi by 4, tan inverse 1 minus 1 is minus pi by 4. Pi by 4 minus pi by 4 is how much? 0. So minus 1 I got 0. Now if I substitute x is equal to 1, if I substitute x is equal to 1, what I get here? Pi by 4 plus tan inverse 1. That is pi by 4 plus pi by 4. That is how much I get here? Pi by 2. Pi by 2 I get. Means this is the point is pi by 2. Okay, 1 to pi by 2 I get. So this is minus 1 plus 1. This is the graph. And now greater than 1 and less than 1 I want. Now greater than 1 is in this. So let us substitute 2 in this. Greater than 1, any number you substitute to get the answer. So what I get here, if I substitute in this, see clearly, if I substitute 1 in this, suppose, if I substitute 1 in this, 1 minus 1 is how much? 0. 0 into half will be 0. So 0, but it is hollow circle here for this graph. Because this is 1 is not included, not minus 1, this is minus 1 plus 1. 1 is not included and minus 1 not included. So you will get here from here. Now I substitute 2 some number 2. 2 if I substitute what I get here? Half into modulus 2 minus 1. That means half into 2 minus 1 is how much? 1. So I am getting here how much? It is half. When I substitute 2, I am getting half something. So if I substitute x is equal to 4, suppose, if I substitute 4, mod 4 minus 1, 3 by 2. So what you get as, this is mod graph, so mod graph will go like this. Modulus x goes like this, it's a straight line like that. Because when x is greater than 1, simple way, I will say, when x is greater than 1, this modulus will open positive. If I am keeping any 2 here, anything, if this is it will be positive, na? And when I keep here minus 1, this place if I keep, and it will go like this. So this is the graph of this whole picture. Now tell me, is this function is, what is the question? The function, question is, I'll make it complete. The question is that, option A is that, option A, I'll write now options. If you understand the graph is okay, otherwise I will explain the equation also. Option A is continuous on r minus 1 and differentiable r minus 1 comma plus 1. Option B is both continuous and differentiable on r minus 1. Then another one is option C. I'll write the direct option. Option is continuous on r minus 1 and differentiable on r minus 1 comma plus 1. ये ऑप्शन बी क्या है? ऑप्शन बी इज option D is continuous and differentiable r minus 1. Option D is discontinuous, I think. Continuous r minus 1 and differentiable r minus plus 1. Yeah. Option C is both continuous and differentiable. Both continuous and differentiable on r minus 1. So now these are the options. Let's see here. What option is correct? Which option is correct? Now see here, this is the graph you got. See, suppose if I substitute minus 1 in this, what I get 1 by 2, 1 by 2, I get as modulus of minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1. So 1 by 2 minus 1, this is how much I get? Minus 1 I get.
Modulus of minus 1 is 1.
Modulus?
Modulus of minus 1 is 1.
Modulus of minus 1 is? Modulus of minus 1 is 1, right? So at modulus of minus 1 is 0, na? Modulus of minus 1 is 0, na? Okay, here I have to substitute, yes. So modulus of minus 1 is 1. Wait. Here pi by 4 plus tan inverse of minus 1. So pi by 4 minus pi by 4. That is 0, na? This is the point, na? And at 1 is what? 1 by 2, pi by 4 plus tan inverse of 1. That is pi by 4 plus pi by 4. So this is. At 1, this is the answer. At minus 1, answer is this. So the graph is coming in this way and going in this way and coming here, and here is like that it is going. So this is the graph. So how many points it is discontinuous? See here, this will be V shape because it is a modulus. This is modulus graph, so you get here V shape. This is modulus graph, you get V shape. This is a straight line, this is not curve. This is a straight line. This is also straight line. And this is curve. Tan inverse x pi by 4 plus tan inverse x is a curve. Now when you do in this way, what happens? The function is discontinuous at 1. It is continuous, see here, continuous at r minus 1 means except 1, everywhere it is continuous. Second point, what is that? It is not differentiable at 1 and minus 1 because this is a curve and this is a straight line. Slopes will not be same. So option D is the right answer. This is asked in JEE Mains 2020. Did you understand? Purva?
Yes, sir, understood.
Others? Remain people? This graph you understood? Graph if you understand, it's easy. Others, please let's respond me fast. If you want function wise, I will tell you function wise also. Do you want function wise? Okay, next question. Next, one more important question. If you want, I will explain. Tell me. Understood, say. आजकल लेक्चर वेस्ट हो गया है नेट के प्रॉब्लम नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम. So next question, write down. Next question again, JEE based 2020 question. Let S be the set of points where the function f of x is equal to modulus of 2 minus x minus 3 modulus when x belongs to R is not differentiable. Is not differentiable. Not differentiable. Now, this is one of the good questions. That's why I'm taking this. Differentiable. Differentiable. Then the value of sigma x belongs to S, f of x is equal to dash. And this is JEE Mains 2020 question. JEE Mains, in the many of the students have done this is wrong because it is an integral type question, numerical based question. Many of them did wrong this. The question is, let S be the set of points where the function 2 minus modulus of x minus 3 for where x belongs to R is not differentiable, then the value of sigma x belongs to S f of x is dash. Okay, S be the set of points where the function is not differentiable. See, this is wonderful question. It's very good question. JEE Mains asked this question in this year only, and very good question. So S be the set of points where this function is not differentiable. तो आपको पता करना है इस फंक्शन किधर डिफरेंशिएबल नहीं है पॉइंट्स you have to find the points that points you have to substitute in this sigma that's what they're asking now here if I want to tell this is can be done two ways one is graphical way another one is like problematic way but graphical is the best one how we will solve see you have a graph. I will tell you all the graphs here. This is the mod. I will first introduce all the things. This is the graph of mod x. Correct? Yes. This is graph of mod x. And next one is I want mod of x minus 3. We should come inside to out. What is the graph of mod x minus 3? Means this is mod x because it is 0 place it is graph. We should. Mod x minus 3 means what is the 0 of x minus 3? 3. And x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. So we get at 3 we get this shape. This is called as graph of mod x minus 3. Mod x minus 3 graph of. But that is subtracted, negative. Negative means which side? Downside. Okay, so what I get here? I'll get here the same graph like this. Like this I'll get when I say mod of x minus 3. See here, I am showing all the graph how to understand this. Then he said 2 to add. See, this is plus 2. Plus 2 means 2 is adding. Means 2 units above it should come. So graph should go 2 units above. Above 2 units. This graph should go above 2 units. Can you here draw? Yeah, I will draw here. So it should be drawn how many units? 2 units above. Okay, like this 2 units above you should draw. So this is what 2 minus of mod x minus 3 graph. See how I am showing you. This is called graphical transformation. This is mod x. Now what I am drawing x minus 3 mod. So graph of x minus 3 means here. And then what they are saying negative. Negative means reverse, mod reverse. And then what they said 2 units add. Plus 2 बोले तो ये same graph को 2 units above करना है. तो above कर दिया हमने. उसका mod क्या है? Okay, please note down. I'll tell you the last graph. Okay, just note down this. Did you understand the steps? ये ग्राफ समझ में आया ग्राफ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. One of the best question of JEE Mains in 2020. Very good question. I liked this question. Actually, this is easy only. Here, this is many of them misunderstood. In yesterday homework, all questions you got? Hmm? Then ask no, which questions you not got. If you ask, I will explain that questions. Nobody is saying then how can I know? Homework questions are important. All questions are important. ये तो हो गया. Anything I left? This is also done. Which I wrote today on the board. They all are important questions. Is it done? Yes. Yes. Is it done? This. See here. Now I am going to draw the final graph. Final graph is what? इसको मॉडलेस रखना है तो नेगेटिव है ना. सी whenever you have this graph if I give modulus of 2 minus of x minus 3 then what happens this graph which graph is there na this is there already this graph is there here so this down part is there na this down part will jump up because modulus I am applying when I apply the modulus you will not get below the x-axis means what happens this will go here this will go here. So this is the exact graph of this function. A graph. Then here, where are these points where this function is discontinuous? That is important. Na? I want to find the graph where this discontinuous is. So what is this point? This point is what? Which point is this? This point is which? Which one is this? This point exactly what was the point here? This point is what? 3, na? 3. This was the 3, na? 3 point, na? 3 point. So this point is 3. So 1 I got. But now I have to get what? This point and this point. So how to get these points? So if I want to find that points, I have to take this inside one is 0. Now if I take this inside one 0, I'll get the points. So what I get here? Modulus of x minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus is equal to 0. So modulus of x minus 3 is equal to 2. I had sent this mod that's it. So you know that mod x is a, this implies x is equal to a or x is equal to minus a. So x minus 3 is equal to 2 or x minus 3 is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 1. Correct na? Yes. So this point will be, is it 1 or minus 1? No, 1. 1, right? Yes, 1. This is 2. X minus 3 is equal to 2. So graph should be here. Huh? My graph is wrong. Okay, no problem. This is 1. This is 5. Okay, so I got these 3 points. Now the points only S. S is nothing but these points. 1, 3, 5 are the points. Now, till this is understood, right? Now I have to apply sigma f of x. F of x. Sigma f of x I have to apply. What I have to apply for x belongs to S? X belongs to S means what is x belongs to here? X belongs to what? 1, 3, 5 means 1 comma 3 comma 5. So till this you have understood? Till this you have understood? Yeah, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. So please take the screenshot. I will tell the final answer. See here, this point you are going to get this inside one 0. X minus 3 0 is 3. And the other 2 points is this inside one again 0. So 5 and 1. Right? So the graph will be little bit this side. Okay, it's a imagination. Let's graph is imagination. So now we will find the final result. How to find final result? Here I will write. See this. what I write here, f of 1 I substitute in this. Means what I get here, f of 1. Okay, I get f of 1 plus f of 3, f of 3 plus f of 5. So this I have to find. F of 1 plus f of 3 plus f of 5. So actually this was the one of the good question of JEE 2020, difficult question. Many of them did wrong. So f of 1 plus f of 3 plus f of 5. So what to do now? Now just substitute in the function. What is f of x? What is f of x? This is only the f of x. What is f of x? 2 minus mod x minus 3. Right now, this is only f of x or f of x? What they have given? Question, tell me. Question. F of x or f of x?
F of x.
एक मिनट.
F of x.
One second, I'll check the f of x. This is f of x, right? This is f of x. So you require what? F of x. So f of x means what I am going to get? F of x means this. F of mod of 2 minus mod x minus 3, correct? Okay, this is the mod, and this again f of x means in the place of x this whole thing will get. So what I get here, this I get as mod of 2 minus mod of, in the place of x I get as, in the place of x I get mod of 2 minus mod of x minus 3 mod, okay, this is over, right? 2 minus x place over, x place I substituted everything. Okay, x place I substituted everything, and then we can write minus 3. Right, this is what you get. Mod is there, mod 2 minus, and in the place of x this whole thing again. Okay, whole thing again, and you have minus 3, and this is inside the modulus, right? This is inside the modulus, correct? Right? Now you have to find f of 1. Substitute f of 1 in this. Substitute f of 3 in this. Substitute f of 5 in this. You are going to get the answer. Did you understand? Hello? Did you understand? Is it understood? Yeah. Yeah. See, simple thing here, the function is 2 minus mod of x minus 3. So f of x is required. You can do one more way. You are feeling difficulty. Simple thing is, no need to do all these things. Simple I will say. See, what is required? What is required? F of 1. Substitute f of 1 first in this. So no need to do this much. So directly f of 1 substitute in this. So what I get here? Modulus of 2 minus of modulus of 1 minus 3 modulus. This is the thing. Then what I get? F of, what I get here? 2 minus of, see here, 1 minus, see this one I have to solve. So 1 minus 3, 2 minus modulus of, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 modulus is how much? Plus 2. This is minus 2, no? Modulus is plus 2. And f of 2 minus 2 is how much? 0. So f of 0. F of 0 means I have to substitute again here in the 0. So if I substitute, what I get? 2 minus mod x of mod minus 3, you are going to get 0 minus 3. Mod minus 3 is plus 3. 2 minus 3 I will get. So what I get here? Here I get as modulus of 2 minus, this is 3. 2 minus 3. That is how much I will get? Minus 1. So this is how much I am getting? 1. So first one answer is 1. This one answer is 1. So instead of this using, you can find individually 1, substitute 2, substitute 3, substitute 5. That will be the more better. Or you can do, you keep this whole thing, then you substitute. But this will be little what confused. So substituting 1 in this value again you keep in this. That is the better approach, better one. Did you understand all? Hello? Online. Understood or not?
Yes, sir, understood.
See here, I'll tell you one more way. See, I want f of 3 I want, right? F of 3. So first I will find f of 3. So what I do? F of 3 I substitute here. What I get here? Modulus of 2 minus modulus of 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 mod. Okay. So what I am going to get? This is f of modulus of 2 minus 3 minus 3 is 0. Mod 0 is 0. So you are getting mod again. Mod of 2 is 2 minus 0 is 2. Mod of 2 is 2. F of 2 I got. So I have to find f of 2. F of 2 means again here in the place of x I substitute 2. So what I get here? Modulus of 2 minus mod of 2 minus 3 whole mod. So this I will get how much? 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 is how much? Plus 1. So 2 minus 1 is how much? 1. So this also I got 1 and this also I got 1. So if you solve individually, that's more better than substituting in this. I think don't refer this. So substitute f of 1 in this. I got one answer. This is 1 plus this is also 1 and substitute 5 also. Okay, if I substitute directly, I can say नहीं इतना करने की जरूरत नहीं जेई में ऐसा करना नहीं है 5 minus 3 2 2 minus 2 0 now substitute 0 0 इधर substitute किया 0 minus 3 minus 3 modulus of minus 3 plus 3 2 minus 3 minus 1 modulus of minus 1 plus 1 so this is also 1 1 plus 1 3 3 is the answer is 3. So you should not think these many steps. Directly you have to do. But to understanding that I am explaining these steps. But steps don't follow it. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So chemistry class will start now. Okay? Due to network problem, only few questions I explained today.